Friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you're fine now. In this video, we are going to see what's changes in the XRP Ripple coin in the previous last 1 hour. What's the price changes of XRP Ripple coin in the previous last 1 hour, 2 hour. We see in this video. So before starting this video, kindly hit the subscribe button and complete my 3K subscriber. Please, I need your support. Please support me and subscribe my channel. Now let's see what's the price changes occur in XRP Ripple coin in the previous last 1 hour and the last 2 hour. As you can see now on the screen, so it's a live price changes occur in XRP Ripple coin in the previous last 1 hour result you are watching now on the ABS Tech channel. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrency. I update you every hour of every cryptocurrencies markets, what's the price, what's the changes in the XRP Ripple coin and Cardano as more as etc. I update you every hour what's changes occur in a Cardano and a cryptocurrencies markets changes. I update you everyone. So please don't forget to subscribe. As you can see here, that's a live price changes occur in XRP Ripple coin in the previous last 1 hour. Last 1 hour result you are watching now on the screen. As you can see here, if you see the chart analysis of XRP Ripple coin, so it's the chart tell us that the XRP Ripple coin falls down in the, as you can see here, in the last hour, as you can see here, and currently they are very badly falls down. So it's a dumping period of Cardano, as you can see on the screen. Now let's see what changes occur in a XRP Ripple coin in the previous last 1 hour. So the changes in the XRP Ripple coin in the last hour is negative 1.45% changes occur in XRP Ripple coin in the previous last 1 hour, and the high price of XRP Ripple coin in the last hour is $0.55947 is the high price of XRP Ripple coin. That is the live price changes and high price of XRP Ripple coin in the last 1 hour. Now let's see the changes of XRP Ripple coin in the previous last 2 hour. What's the result of 2 hour in of the XRP Ripple coin and the cryptocurrency market? Oh my god, it's an absolutely falling period of XRP Ripple coin. As you can see here, they falls down hour by hour, as you can see on the screen on the chart analysis of XRP Ripple coin. Now let's see what the changes occur in the XRP Ripple coin in the previous last 2 hour. As you can see here, last 2 hour changes as negative 1.51% changes occur in the XRP Ripple coin, and the high price of XRP Ripple coin is $0.5622223 is the high price of XRP Ripple coin as compared to the current price of XRP Ripple coin. So they are is this time current price of XRP Ripple coin is $0.553716 is the current price of XRP. So it's a very bad change in the XRP Ripple coin. The high price and the current price is a very big change at this period. It's all changes occur in the last 2 hours of XRP Ripple coin. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrency markets.